Hey, hello, good afternoon, happy Monday. I'll tell you what, we've had a hell of a day today. The wind, we got almost instant wind gusts that were huge. Took down half the aluminate shade, so it's still continuing to be pretty windy. The gusts aren't quite as bad right now, but they're still picking up. So anyway, I got the shade down and went ahead and packed up most everything. Got the chairs and the cots in, and we're gonna have an inside evening here because it's getting chilly and the wind is really whipping. So we're all set to pull out tomorrow. Excuse me, my throat's kind of been getting raspy from, I guess, the wind. So yeah, we're gonna head on out tomorrow morning, and I'm waiting something to do a twist again. I love it. Berkeley does these swing arounds when he wants to play. Everybody's dirty. I need to get these guys bathed. Go ahead, you can go in, buddy. Yeah, so we're all pretty much set up. I got everything secured on the back here, and the only thing we need to do is just a couple minor things in the morning, get something to eat, and then we'll do the final lift-off preparations. Then we'll be headed out. What? Do it again. Do it again. I missed it. Okay, so there he goes. All right. So everybody was out just for a break here. We're going to call it an evening. The smoke has really built up since yesterday afternoon. It started getting pretty bad again. Can hardly even see the town down there now, let alone the mountains on the other side. So hey, you guys take care. We're gonna get inside, get a little something to eat, and take good care. We'll talk to you later, and have a good night. Bye. What did he say, Co? Ready to go in? Ready to go in? Come on, let's go in. Want to go in? She likes me in braces. Go ahead. Hop up. Hop up. Come on, it's okay. Go ahead. There she goes. She still likes the steps. Okay, take care. Good night.